In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create your own AI clone using HeyGen, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end, you'll have a working AI twin and you'll know how to actually use it for content and business. Start by creating a HeyGen account. You can use the free plan, but I personally use the creator subscription for better flexibility. Go to the avatar section, click the plus button, and choose Create Digital Twin. Before recording, read the guidelines carefully. This part matters. The quality of your AI clone depends on how you film your original video. Record yourself from the waist up, keep your head centered, and make sure nothing blocks your face. Use good lighting. After recording, click Submit. The first time, you'll verify your identity. It usually takes about a minute. Once your avatar is ready, you can either record your script, upload an audio file, or let HeyGen generate the voice. I personally use 11 Labs for voice cloning because it sounds more natural. Click Generate, and that's it. You now have an AI clone that can create content without you being on camera. This is powerful for creators and entrepreneurs. You can scale your content, automate videos, and build consistency without filming every day. If this helped you, hit the like button to save the instruction and subscribe to my channel. I share practical AI tools for content creation and business.